Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add a neon text effect to your text in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just open up your Canva project. So just add up a text here. Let's just say I'll just write here neon. So I'll just resize it a bit for you guys to watch clearly. So after you type your text, just select your text and then click here on effects. So as you can see, there's a effect for neon here. Just click here on the neon effect and you can set the intensity level of your neon effect of your text. So that's it. That's how you can add a neon effect to your text in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is just type a text and then click here on effects and then just go here to the neon option. So it's a pretty easy process. I hope it helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.